Hi, I'm Eric Allen at EdenBrothers.com, and I would like to show you a butterfly and bee buffet, created by our staff horticulturalist at Eden Brothers headquarters. He put together a mixture of tall zinnias, the California giants, and sunflowers. They're the Mammoth Grey Stripe variety, the most popular of the tall ones. In spring, after frosts, he used a rototiller and removed all of the grass from a sloping area in front of our building. Then he spread the seed by hand. Then he rolled the whole area with a lawn roller in order to compress the seeds into the soil and gave it a good watering. And this is the result. We recently received a review from a customer who did about the same thing with zinnia for her daughter's wedding. She called her planting a wall of flowers. Here's what she wrote. I planted a 100-foot bed of your Zen Master zinnia mix along my fence as a backdrop for my daughter's wedding last summer. The wedding was in August, and some of the zinnias were 5 feet tall. We used cut zinnias on the tables as well. All of the guests raved about the beautiful flowers. By the end of the season, the flowers ranged in height from 6 inches to 7 feet tall. A true wall of flowers. It couldn't be easier. And remember, you can buy all of our seeds by the packet or by the pound. Enjoy! I'm Eric Allen for EdenBrothers.com, the seediest place on earth.